Hello there! Today we are going to make a mixer grinder. So are you excited? Well then let's see what do we have in our book. Wow, we see 3 steps right here and the 4th one is already made. At first we are going to make 4 dots and then take our scale and join it. Yes, we are making the top part of our mixer grinder. Let's make this together. And yes, make it neatly. Once we are done with that, let's make the bottom part. How do we do it? Well, yes, it gets easier for us to make it when we make these dots. So, let's make these dots and then join the line. This looks interesting. Now, let's make a sleeping line and join it. Well, yes, our step 1 is complete. Can we go ahead with the step 2 now? Yes, give it more detail. We can use a scale for this or even draw it as freehand, just like how I'm doing it. Let's draw this very lightly so that just in case we make a mistake, we can erase it. That's beautiful. Let's make the handle now. And then this line inside. A lighter drawing will make sure that we can erase it properly. Make a nice curve like this now. This looks beautiful. Make the inner part of the handle. And then this part. Let's erase this. And then the extra parts which we have made. Now we will make the bottom part or the legs of our mixer grinder. Make sure they are of the same size. And finally, let's make the buttons. Yes, for which we will make 3 circles. One in the center which is the biggest and 2 small on the left and the right side. Let's take a sketch pen and start sketching now. Go very slow while sketching this. This looks amazing, isn't it? Complete sketching the entire thing in a similar way. Yes, go right on top of the lines and try making freehand drawing. That is going to improve your drawing. Do not use a scale for drawing these lines. Finally, make this line and then make the buttons. This looks lovely. If you have any pencil marks, please feel free to erase it, and after that, let's start coloring this. The first color we are taking is violet color. Can we do all the parts which are violet in color first? That's great. Oh, we forgot to make the line in the center. Let's make it with our sketch pen and then color it. This looks brilliant. Can you tell me which is the next color we'll take? Yes, we will take blue color. Let's use blue color right here. And then let's use it in the body as well. We will start by coloring this a little lighter and then make it a little darker when we're going till the edges. Something like this. At first, we will put little pressure on the crayon and color lightly. And after that, we will put more pressure on the crayon as we go till the borderline and make it darker. This looks amazing. Let's take dark ochre color or brown color and do this part. We are going to follow the same drill. Put less pressure for a lighter color and put more pressure for a darker color. Continue coloring this in a similar way. Be very careful when you're coloring here, as we have 3 buttons here. The color shouldn't go in that, okay? This looks amazing. Finally, which color are we taking next? Yes, we will take grey color and do this part. Let's color this nicely. Yes, something like this. This looks amazing. Finally, let's take red color and do this dot. And let's take green color and do the next button. And look at that! Our mixer grinder is ready.